You want coffee? I got you. First, get your scale. Set it to 0. Measure 18 grams of coffee beans. I'm making 2 coffees, so I do 39. Next, you're going to grind your beans. Now you need this stuff, specifically this, your basket, in this magnetic funnel. Place the portafilter on the scale and 0 it out. Grab your beans and measure 18 grams. If you go over, just use a spoon. Then take your WTF tool and distribute your beans. Get it as even as possible. Then what I like to do, give it a little tap around. Take off your filter, grab the tamp, and give it a solid press. Nice and even. Not too much weight, but not enough weight. You'll figure it out. Next, grab this old filter and put it on top. You are now ready. Put it in and then twist and go ahead and turn the machine on. What I do, put the scale, put this in a cup underneath, center it up, and 0 it out. Now, we're looking for a 2-to-1 ratio. So we put 18 grams in, we want to get like 39 grams out. I press the double just because it's more water, but you gotta stop it. Press the double, and then we're gonna look for a really solid stream. That's what we want. The double button. We're gonna sit here and wait and watch the magic happen. That's pretty good, that's okay. There we go. You want that one line to form. And then watch your grams. And around 34, I turn it off, because we'll get some extra. You can remove it if you want, but just have a rag nearby. You did it. What I do is take a rag now and replace it so coffee doesn't fucking get everywhere. There you go. You have made coffee. Whoa. Now, to clean it, I just take the portafilter off, take the screen out, and I just place that there for now. And then I use my hand, the back of my hand, as kind of a knock box, and you knock out the puck. Then what I do is I take the portafilter out of this thingy and this, and I give these a nice rinse, and then just let them dry. In case you want to steam milk,
my milk being steamed.
Grab your milk thingy. Fill it up about a third of the way. Then go ahead and put your wand into the milk and press this bottom tiny button with the steam icon. It's gonna be fucking loud. I like to hold it with one hand and feel it. We want this bitch hot. And you can kind of tilt this a little bit. You get it nice and spinning. And then if you want to add more froth, go up and down. And you actually want this piping. Like right now, it's getting tough to hang on to. So I remove and then I turn off the steam and get it a little more frothy. Kinda gotta wait till it stops. And then take your damp rag, go ahead, tap the wand, or clean the wand with your rag, clean the, if you want it iced, we have iced, and you could just throw the espresso over some iced. The only thing I ask is just make sure to clean your workstation once you're done so it's ready for tomorrow. Enjoy.